We must take a solution for the influx illegal immigration, please.
दिया
ये कब की बात है?
1993 की बात है। ठीक है, तो रहने का जगह दिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जमीन उसका नाम पर ही करे और कुकी जो ट्राइब है उसका ही नाम जमीन
आपका
करो।
कहना है कि म्यांमार से जो माइग्रेंट्स आए वो 90 के दशक में आए, 90s
हाँ, 90s के बाद में आए। ब्रिटिश खाना बनाने के लिए लेकर आए थे म्यांमार से, तब से वो मणिपुर में ही रह गए।
माइग्रेशन जारी है।
हाँ, माइग्रेशन जारी है उन लोगों का। और जहाँ जहाँ कुकी जो ट्राइब है वो रहते।
The ground of the hidden agenda. Some of the hidden agenda that we explain one by one. First, our Honorable Chief Minister war on drug involving wide-scale destructions of coffee plantation carry out mostly in the hill district by some illegal immigration cooking. This has delivered a huge blow on economy of this particular community. Second, the recently discussed National Register of Citizens (NRC), which is most likely affect that particular community the most. This is to be considered one of the biggest factors behind this dissatisfaction of this particular community. Against the present administration, implementation of NRC will put a full stop on the illegal immigrations into our state of Manipur. Please, I appeal. That is, our Honorable Chief Minister tried against illegal immigrations, which is once more connected to the NRC and is the right step towards stopping illegal immigration from our neighboring country, Myanmar. Ongoing arrest of illegal immigrations on Mori area of Manipur has affected the same particular means cookie chain. The ongoing fight the present government to save the reserve forest from illegal occupations and settlement by certain community who I repeat are not indigenous people of the state of Manipur but have rather migrated illegally. Therefore, it is the voice of all indigenous tribes and high time to demolish the drug mafia. The drug mafia implementations of NRC immediately to save the indigenous people of the state and supervision on suspension of operation. Thank you.
तैयार है और आज दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर पे मैतेई कम्युनिटी से लोग आए हैं और सर क्यों ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why?
First thing, the peaceful rally or the STD demand is nothing to do with this, right?
No, people saying that they are refugee. You are saying that they are illegal.
No, they are not refugee.
Okay.
They are not. The thing is, these people started violence on that peaceful day, like that is 3rd March. This
what was the police action that time when the
See, like for the police and intelligence, they have all the information. They don't do any action that they.
Why they don't take the actions? What is the reason behind that?
That motive, we don't know that.
There is no religious issue, nothing.
There is no any religious issue here.
Okay.
There is no any religious issue here. It's something like today started and today is done.
But there is some high court order. You are.
Yeah. See, all the drug cartels. It's open domain. You can search in open domain. You can find everywhere. See, the whole this reserve forest. They have like they are cultivated. So
yeah.
You can.
What is the question once again?
How can you say that cookies? The chief minister statement is there. They will destroy the.
No, he is just all talk, no work. He is just all talk, no work.
Okay.
Talk, no work. He is just all talk, no work.
Okay.
सिर्फ माउंट में चलता है,
सिर्फ जुमला होता है.
That's it. Just all talk, no work. On that prove your question.
Okay. There is some, sir, why the police is not saving the people? Why?
The police is not saving the people because they didn't get the order from the higher authority.
एक बार एक्शन लेना चाहिए.
और इम्फाल में अगर कोई इशू है तो the police come very fast, very rapid actions. Rapid actions are being done and they do everything they can.
समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
देखते रहिए मिनी सन.
Excuse me, one last word, and don't believe everything that you see in the internet because most of the medias and most of the people and most of the news that are being circulated right now in the central media, it is half cooked.
1 hour later.
लेकिन सबसे पहला काम जो है वो शांति कायम रहे जंतर मंतर से मिनी संसद के लिए. मैं मनोज सुराजी. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
And one last word.